walk at Kopegaron Woods, just outside of Wheatley, with the babies. It's a sunny day. I wish I would have brought my mics, but I didn't, because I always forget them. Nice day out. Getting the hiking practice for our upcoming trip. Reese will probably not make this trip, and we will leave him home with the family. Still on the trail, and it appears that we have hit a roadblock. I don't know if it was from the windstorm we had yesterday or the ice storm we had not too long ago. Looks like I'm going to have to put my hiking boots away and get on my mountain climbing shoes. Mama's coming, honey. Thank you for waiting. Reese, the old fart's getting carried. Getting slow. He's a 14-year-older. So he gets special treatment.
You're getting tired.
And you're a 14-year-older, eh, big guy? Yeah, you're an old fart. And it's Sunday, so it counts as old fart slow day. Good girl now.